So you wanted to know which crypto to hold in Q4 and what's going to happen in crypto markets in upcoming months. So today here I am, I'm going to show you my analysis, what's going to happen, and yeah, let's dive in. So today we're seeing some green movements in altcoins, and I'm pretty happy because altcoin season is already started. We are seeing some huge gains because we expected a little bit more red in September, but we're actually started early because of that 50 points rate cut that we had in September 18th. And now the markets are showing us massive gains already. A lot of people are pretty much in profits. They're happy, and you need to know when to exit your positions. You need to understand what's going on in the market because this is just the beginning. But if you're seeing Bitcoin is pretty much showing us only green candles right now, and it's just moving up. But the thing is, what I want to show you guys today is this liquidation heat map, because it shows us where a lot of liquidity is. And look at this coin, 62k 600, and I think we should go lower to catch those liquidation levels, to catch that money, because this is crypto market. And yeah, a lot of smart people are trying to get that money, and they are trying to take money from you. And in upcoming month, and I think what's going to happen is October will be a green, of course, green month, but pretty sure at the first week we're going to see some red, and Bitcoin probably will go to 62k level to catch that liquidity, to take that liquidity from you. Of course, we are seeing a lot of liquidity drowning here, and that's what it is, guys. And yeah, a lot of people are bullish. That's why we're seeing a lot of liquidation leverage here, and this is okay because we should be bullish on Bitcoin, we should be bullish on crypto, and this is normal. But when you're playing with leverage, most of the time you're getting caught because of this crazy levels. You think, yeah, like Bitcoin is already at 65k, you're not going to see that 62.6 level, right? But there always is a possibility that you are going to get caught in that liquidity and you will get liquidated. That's why you need to be smart. That's why you need to play smart, because Bitcoin price is moving crazy, and like people are already getting a lot of returns. And if we're seeing a volatility is going to increase because of this October. Everyone is starting to be more bullish. Everyone is expecting more gains in crypto because this is the October. And yeah, everyone, like, started to think where to put the money from, like treasury bonds, where to put money from stocks and things like that, because stocks, gold right now are in all-time highs, and they want to cash out and put somewhere else. And of course, crypto is always following trends with stock market, gold, and that's what we are going to see in the market right now. And I want to show you something, guys. USDT inflows in exchanges are still not here, right? We could see bigger movements right now. We could see much bigger USDT inflow, and this is why we need to understand that we are here early. This is early stage of this bull market 2.0. And guys, the Q4 will be massive for us. The Q4 will be massive. We are already seeing gains. We are already thinking what's going to happen. And of course, the only one chart we need to look at is BTC dominance. And look, we're at 57%. That means we're still having a lot of room to go, right? And my profit taking will be at 20%. So look, this is what we need to see, right? There's a lot of crazy still movement to happen, and this is not even started. That's why I'm saying Bitcoin dominance is showing us that we are early in altcoin season. We are early in this bull run, and of course we are seeing some of the coins are already moved like 30%, like let's see monthly, right? 131%, Sui 100%, IRO 100%. Like they started to move crazy. And of course, I'm not saying that you need to buy Sui right now because it's already up 100%. Why you need to risk to enter again? Because they're not the best options for you, because they've already made a significant run, and you need just to wait of a pullback and then enter these coins. And don't try to go to follow the trend, because following the trend is not the best choice for you. Of course, Uptober is amazing. Everything will go up. Probably, like, only few coins will be red. As we are seeing right now, it's like 35% of coins red. But this is September, and this is only like hourly. And of course, if we're seeing today, it's more like 30%, 25% only. But this is top 100 altcoins. This is not the whole market. But I'm only looking at those coins that are pretty much on the top 100. And that's why I want to talk about Ethereum. Ethereum is always a great choice for you to hold your money, and Ethereum is a safe pick. Of course, Ethereum did not show us yet the move, and it will go to 35k pretty soon. And why I'm talking about Ethereum is because we need to check when Ethereum is moving up. We need to check the altcoins on Ethereum, like Arbitrum. Arbitrum will probably go higher than Ethereum when Ethereum is popping, right? So a lot of different coins you need to understand to check when the main layer 1 is moving. And guys, Ethereum is of course crazy good pick. And if you're not bullish on crypto, then why you are here? Why you are investing in crypto if you're not bullish? Because all I see right now is every single chart is showing me crazy good profits in the future. And look, I want to show you Solana. Solana already started to move up, but it's still only $156, right? Market cap is too low for Solana, and Solana is going to perform really well. Solana is a pretty nice coin, and most of you are saying, Sui is going to be the killer of Solana, right? But I mean, let's see monthly, right? Sui is made a lot of crazy movements, right? Sui is not the killer, but this is just an alternative for Solana, and Solana is performing still pretty good. We of course we saw a downtrend on July, which we need to test this level, 162 level. And when we retest this level, then we are going to see an increase if we're like not going back again, because of course, like I said before, on October first week we're going to see some red, and I think that's where the pullback is going. October is going to be a green month, and November too, but why I wanted to say first week of October could be red, and that's where all the liquidations happens, right? That's where everyone is losing money because they're expecting October to be green instantly, and that's, I think, where we gonna see some red, because people are too optimistic all the time. And you know, this is the game of markets. You need to understand where to exit and where to enter again, because you need to play with it, right? You need to exit on the tops, try to catch the bottoms again. And of course, if you don't want to invest in crypto, you don't know how to buy, or you are more like stock genius, and I have a stock for you. MicroStrategy is the best stock in my opinion right now, because we're still early. Of course, it made a huge gain. The stock split happened, and RSI level showing pretty nice. And I don't see why MicroStrategy would go down, because Michael Saylor is doing like crazy good job. He's getting a lot of money for the Bitcoin, and he's investing in Bitcoin. So basically, MicroStrategy is still where you invest in crypto, but like you're just buying in stock. So pretty much MicroStrategy is Bitcoin with leverage, right? Yeah, this stock will make you a millionaire, right? This stock will make you a millionaire, and this is a nice opportunity for us. Of course, it went up, and it would be a pretty crazy buy if you're buying here, but in the long run it wouldn't matter. It moves pretty much up all the time. We're seeing some, you know, waves, but we know the destination, and the destination is infinity, because Bitcoin will go to infinite. And yeah, MicroStrategy knows how to invest, I would say. Let's talk about other nice chart, because today we're seeing a bullish charts. I want to show you these charts because I'm a believer that these coins are going up. And look at bread. Bread is amazing, and bread price is still cheap. 10 cents is nothing actually, and it started to move again, because we saw a downtrend, right? We saw a downtrend, and it was normal. It was just a correction, you know, we wanted to see, and now the pullback is happening. We wanted to see a pullback in markets, and now we're getting it. And if you're not holding these coins in Q4, then you're missing out. You're basically missing out, because bread will outperform a lot of altcoins, right? Bread will be one of the best performing coins. And yeah, I'm pretty excited for this. Pretty sure it will go infinite. And guys, don't see how bread would perform badly, especially in these bullish charts, what I'm seeing. And yeah, bread is one of the biggest decisions I've made, and I think bread will show us why I choose him, because like a lot of influencers will start to talk about bread, because they will want to catch the train, but it's still going to happen later when Fred will show us like 300% in a day, right? Of course, I'm not saying it's going to happen, but that's what I'm expecting right now. That's what I am expecting, and I think there is a possibility that we're going to see a crazy movement in Fred, because it will catch a hype and just it will be unstoppable. And then of course a lot of people will want to cash out, and if you don't want to kill coins like these, because these are meme coins, and if you're holding a huge position on meme coins, you can easily kill the vibe. And right now, of course, we saw some massive sell-offs, but it didn't affect it that hardly, right? It was just a normal market correction. Now we are going back. We are going back, and that's what we are expecting. Massively going up. This chart just shows us that it's just early. It's early, right? This is crazy. The beginning. Look, the chart like here, it's just repeating itself, but in a bigger way. It's going to be bigger, and then again bigger and bigger, and this is right now. This is just a straight line, and we're going here. So to understand the crypto, you need to risk it, right? And of course, red is a meme coin, so most of the people are thinking this is a gamble, but I don't see a gamble here. I don't see. This is amazing chart, and yeah, we'll see. But what I want to talk about, this is a crazy decision of mine, and I want to talk about JASMY. JASMY went pretty much down, right? Like almost 100% down, and now we're starting to see some movement in this coin. It was pretty dead, right? And now we're seeing movement. So there is a possibility that we're going back 100% where we started, and this is pretty much like 20x possibility, maybe even more, if JASMY is starting to wake up. So JASMY is a nice coin. RSI looks pretty insane because it's outscoring everyone, and JASMY is a nice. I think it's a nice pick to hold in Q4, and will still show us what's going on. That's why I'm really bullish on it. And of course, this is the only chart I will show you today that's not showing that big bullish signs, because it went really crazy down. But now it's showing that we're going somewhere. We're going somewhere, and I think the next step is only up in JASMY. So I want to finish with Kaspa, because I was speaking about Kaspa a long time ago, and yeah, Kaspa is just moving crazy up. This is even more bullish to me than most of the charts, I would say. And Kaspa didn't show us yet the big move, right? So Kaspa is a nice choice to hold in Q4. It's pretty much showing that we're heading to new all-time highs from here. And yeah, look at this chart, and look at this coin. Of course, before investing in anything, do your own research. This is not a financial advice. And yeah, that's it for today. Happy Friday, and peace.